What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you a complete guide how to fix Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. For that, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first, the great 3D fighting game Dragon Ball Sparking Zero has been released. However, many gamers reported that the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero connection timeout error seriously affected their gaming experience. If you're one of them, I will show you how to exactly cope up with it. So what you have to do is to delete the engine file configure folder. So according to practice, deleting the engine file on the entire configuration folder can effectively address the Dragon Ball sparking zero connection timeout error. If you are not sure how to do that, you can refer the following steps. First thing first, press the Window plus E key combination to open File Explorer. Navigate this location. Make sure that you put in the right address for the game that you have installed in the same directory. So the step 3 is now you can right click on the engine configuration file and choose delete from the context menu. So by doing that, your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.